DiGa.IkwerreGirl at Cheru. This is the one where I plan to make jollof rice and chicken. Jollof rice is the one where you make it with vegetable oil, stew the tomato puree and the plum tomatoes, and then stew the rice in it. But then I found out that I was out of tomato puree and plum tomatoes, so I had to come up with a different plan last minute. Watch this creative chef it out. As usual, chicken, no water. Let the chicken boil out the sauce, the stock that you used to cook the rice. Put your spices in and everything, and then smear it in whatever spice you want to put in. Just be creative, just don't make it look like a chore, because otherwise you don't get it right. It's just play around with the kitchen, play in the kitchen, and it makes it easier. It's not rocket science. IkwerreGirl. So like I said, no tomato puree. What do I do? Ding ding ding! Fried rice. Watch me come up with fried rice when there's no tomato puree and no plum tomatoes. Be creative. Think, what can I do? What kind of rice can I make? Fried rice. I got my mixed veg, vegetable oil. Voila. Let's see how it goes. Looks good, don't it? There's a recipe for this, but I'm not sharing the recipe today. Why? Because I want you to come back and watch the next video where I actually teach how to make fried rice. Not giving out all my secrets today. Yes, so this is fried rice. Very simple, very easy to make, very yummy, tasty, and it saves the day. No plum tomatoes, no tomato puree, but we got something even better. I'm so glad I went for the fried rice option. Hey, come on. IkwerreGirl. You know. That's how we do it. Please concentrate on the food and not the stove. If your stove is always clean, it means you don't cook. So yeah, I've got a few scratches and stuff on the stove, but please look at the rice here. Forget about the stove. We'll clean it. Hang on a minute. Have you subscribed? What were we saying? Back to business. Fried rice. Check out the chicken. Oh, did I forget? And fish as well. There has to be fish. All done. Literally took me about, 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Honestly, I actually do impress myself. Patting myself right now on the shoulder. So once again, it's chicken, fried rice and grilled fish. We don't have any tomato puree or plum tomatoes. Be creative. Until next time, it's your girl, IkwerreGirl at Cheru, your one and only celebrity chef. Here, I cook your dreams and I eat it.